a unique thing about Ableton Live is you can literally just be playing in the session view non-stop and record as many sort of takes or parts as you like without it being destructive, or you can record over those sections. It's really great. I guess some people call it live looping or something, but you know, if you catch yourself in that creative moment, you don't ever have to press stop. So say I was just listening to this. I'm just turning the volume up for the sort of keys I just added. So I'm just playing using my MIDI keyboard. I'm just literally playing the key A, C, E, E, C, A, C, E, E, C, A. Yes, so I basically recorded 3 clips here, and all I was simply doing was just playing my keyboard, and when I got to a sort of section that I thought, okay, I want to record the next clip, I would simply just scroll over, quickly press the record button on that section, just like here while it was playing, and then I'll keep recording, and then I'll do the same and just go to the next one. And Live can allow you to do that. You can take as many gaps as you want, whatever. And if I just click on this clip, you can see this is what I was playing basically. If I just play it back. And if I go to the next one. And if I go to the next one.